what you do.
Where you caught from where she was on the floor?
Oh yeah. I feel like I'm getting sick, but that's because it's freezing in my school. I have a thick sweater in my car that I take.
Yeah, I'm not coughing as much.
Yeah, like we're like upset because we can't wear like dresses or anything because it's so freezing. And then we go outside, so we're like going back and forth. We're going in and out, in and out. Exactly. And the kids are getting sick too already, so. And then there's no windows. So. Maybe like in 15 minutes. She's about to get out.
I'm gonna feel it. How much is the pizza?
Says it right there. What is it, like 8, 9? There's a number that says on top. It's like by like groups. 8, 9, 10 or something. I think it's like $9 because it's happy hour.
I had the pizza before.
Huh?
I had the pizza before.
No, that's the pizza that I brought last time when I went out. That I said I liked it. But she sat down and ate pizza and she wanted more, but I had eaten the other piece. And she tore that up.
What is that? What else have you had from there?
Oh, no, nothing else from the happy hour menu.